Relation between radian and degree. Degree and radian, both units are used to measure the angle. Now let's try to understand what is the relation between radian and degree. So as we know that 2 pi radian, which is basically one complete circle, is equal to 360 degree. It simply means that if we take one round around the circle, it will subtend 2 pi radian, which is basically equal to 360 degree. Then pi radian will be 180 degree. Now let's find the value of 1 radian. So we will divide both sides by pi. So 1 radian will be 180 over pi. And if we simplify this value, we will get 57 degree and 16 minutes, which simply means that 1 radian is equal to 57 degree and 16 minutes. Now we can write this relation otherwise, which is basically 1 degree is equal to pi over 180. Now let's convert some standard values from degree to radian. So the first value we will take 30 degree. So 30 degree is equal to 30 times pi over 180, which is basically equal to pi over 6 radian. So 30 degree is pi over 6 radian. 45 degree is equal to 45 times pi over 180, which is equal to pi over 4. So the value of 45 degree is equal to pi over 4 in terms of radian. Now 60 degree is equal to 60 times pi over 180, and that is equal to pi over 3. So 60 degree is equal to pi over 3 in terms of radian. In the same way, 90 degree is equal to 90 times pi over 180, that is basically pi over 2 radian. There is a relation between radian and degree, and we follow this rule to convert radian to degree or from degree to radian. So let's consider that, and that will be to convert from degree to radian, multiply by pi over 180, and from radian to degree, multiply by 180 over pi. Basically, this is a general rule to convert from degree to radian and from radian to degree.